Welcome. It's Russell Mann again. Today I'm going to do a video about the sumac plant. Yeah, I think I pronounced that right. It's apparently a really hard plant to find in stores. As well as they're apparently really easy to grow, but are hard to find. So we're going to go ahead and do a little research on that. Well, basically, excuse me. Well, what it does say in this book that I have is that they grow primarily from zone 2 to 9, which means when you look at like a seed packet, those little color-coded places, those are like your zones. As well as it can grow in dry soil, poor soil, moist soil, and near a bog, bright sun, and part shade. So it's a pretty easy plant to grow. Well, when it spawns seeds, it spawns it just like flowering, pretty much. I believe it doesn't specifically say. It can also house underground runners, where they were to, I guess, just make a cluster somewhere else through under the ground. I would imagine. Okay, there's a couple different kinds in here. There's a smooth sumac tops, which tops out about 8 to 10 feet. It's a pretty big plant. Then you have the staghorn sumac plant, and it's 12 to 16 feet. That's a big plant. There's a fragrant sumac, which is 3 to 4 feet. And they have male and female plants, so if you're going to be gardening them and breeding them, I would buy both. If not, if you don't want a gajillion of them, I would buy a male plant. And see if it says the difference. Okay, it says that some nurseries that specialize in native plants and large gardening centers will order them for you. It's like a special ordering. So, and basically the question of all this is basically where to find sumac plants, because there's apparently not a lot of nurseries and stores and stuff that want to sell it, because apparently Lowe's and Home Depot think they're better than everybody else. So, alright. That is all. This has been Sumac Plants. Bye.